name is Umulinga Eliza Lucille. I'm 18 years old. This is my creative piece showing and illustrating my passion and hobbies. I've always been a tech enthusiast since my childhood. I always wanted to know how electronics and websites operate and how they can operate more effectively for a better impact. In my 10th grade, I continued in sciences, which included computer science, and in my 11th grade, I created a platform called My Health, which helped young girls to monitor and keep track of their menstruation cycle. Currently, I am working on a platform called Dazzling Arts, which is going to be helping young creative people to exhibit, promote, and share their work. I created that platform using CSS, HTML, and Python. My platform is going to be emphasizing on young people with some challenges in pursuing their passion in arts.
Hello once again, and as I was just saying, this is my project called Dazzling Art. It's a project that I've started like a few months ago, and as I was saying, this project is a platform which is going to be helping young people with creative minds and talent in arts. As I said, I use different programming languages including HTML, CSS, and Python. These are the codes, and as you can see, we have different tabs, and all these codes gave me the result of this. This, as you can see, is the homepage of our platform, which is going to be helping people with creative mind and talent in arts. So this platform is going to be accessed by clients and also our artists. So it's to say, if an artist come on this page and is interested with working with us, is going to be going about us and how to join, and then the person will be joining and will be a member of ours, of Dazzling Arts. So as you can see here on the homepage, you have the some of our pieces. There are different pictures, like this is something to attract, or let's say if you're coming here to purchase a painting or something else, you can access here on this page. On our arts, you can see some of different of our arts. We're going to be having different and many arts of our artists working with the Dazzling Art. And this platform is going to be working with people who can do some paintings, sculptures, digital arts, animation, and more creative ideas. This platform won't only help the artists in finding, like, learning from each other, but they're going also to be finding market for their products either online or offline. So Dazzling Arts is also going to be organizing events that are going to be taking place twice in a year, and by those events, we're going to be offering jobs and we're going to be doing different things and changing people's lives. So, as I can say, this Dazzling Art is going to be an answer to many people and is going to be really helping those without means to pursue their passion and talent of arts. Thank you.
Apart from my passion in technology, I have also been playing guitar since 2015, and I have been using that talent to help children without means to learn guitar by giving them guitar courses. In every holidays, I gather around children and I teach them guitar, and some of them have really developed their talent. The next video is one of my video playing guitar and also a picture of me and my students in class. Enjoy! Got a fire for her, and let's get it done. Do you think it looks so easy? Got a river for a soul, baby, you know, baby, you know the reason. If I didn't have nothing left, start up a mountain, never be his best. If I didn't have it, never see the sun. Taught me how to be someone, yeah. All my life, I stood by That was all. I'm very grateful for your time. Thank you very much.